friends, I'm Sammy Mila, a culinary specialist and food stylist here at Better Homes and Gardens. And today on Extra Sweet, we are going to be doing something so extra we couldn't not do it. So I was totally inspired by the sushi donut that I saw online. So I took that, flipped it upside down, crossed it with the fruit pizza, and came up with a Fruit Sushi Cookie Donut. Yes! Say that 3 times fast because it is really hard. Okay, so first step in our Fruit Sushi Cookie Donut is going to be the fruit. Cut your fruit as thin as possible. You want to use fruit that when thinly sliced can be kind of flexible. So I've got mango, strawberries, kiwi. I also have some canned mandarin oranges, which you're obviously not going to slice. You could definitely use fresh, but I just think the orange color is a little more vibrant in the canned ones, which is why I opted for those. And you want a lot of color and to kind of play off that fruit donut, or the sushi donut that we've seen online a lot. Not the fruit one, because that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna start off with my sugar cookie ring that I just made with some sugar cookie cutout dough. Cut a 3-inch circle with a little one gone. Bake that through so it looks like a little donut ring. In my zip top bag, I have cream cheese frosting, and this is just my go-to for fruit pizza, so it's literally just frozen whipped topping that I've thawed with a brick of cream cheese, and you just whip that together, and I'm just gonna pipe this around like this. So bringing back the fruit that I thinly sliced earlier, we're going to kind of intricately lay it across the frosting, and this is where the sushi part comes into play. Kind of see that they kind of thinly slice their raw fish, and then they place it on your plate in a really pretty manner. With that being said, I definitely don't recommend using a mandolin here because the fruit is already so small and kind of delicate. Our Fruit Sushi Cookie Donuts are all done. So you can see here we have our thinly sliced fruit intricately placed around my frosting, looking really pretty, looking real nice if you know what I'm saying. But it's not done yet. This is extra sweet, guys, so we gotta take it up a notch. To kind of mimic what the guys do at the sushi bar downtown, we're gonna add a little drizzle. This isn't eel sauce or spicy mayo, so don't freak out. It's just a little jam. You can use whatever you got, strawberry, grape, whatever. Just warm it up a little bit so it's a little loose and give it a little drizzle like they do at the shop. So then usually sushi gets sesame seeds, black or white, toasted or not, whatever. But we're gonna do poppy seeds instead, just to, again, mimic that effect. So yeah, I'm done. I'm done with these super cute, kind of intricate Fruit Sushi Cookie Donuts. And now that you guys are done with me, you can go make this at home. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys, and I'll see you next time on Extra Sweet.